Welcome to NextGen Mansions. Today, we journey across continents to witness the most luxurious sofa experiences ever designed. From private islands to opulent sea palaces, each creation we visit isn't just furniture, it's a statement of power, wealth, and unmatched style. United States Suine Grand Royal Blue Velvet Sectional wraps a glass coffee table with a built-in aquarium of vivid fish. Afternoon light floods in through gold-draped windows onto polished marble floors, with yellow silk cushions adding warmth and fresh flowers completing the lavish feel. Nittily a cream leather sectional curves around a marble table holding golden candelabras. Light pours through arched windows framed in deep red velvet curtains. Francen a plush white sofa with gold-embroidered edges surrounds a mirrored coffee table topped with crystal decanters. Afternoon sun dances across parquet floors, while pastel cushions and tall vases of peonies bring a romantic, opulent Parisian charm to the scene. Japan a minimalist low-profile white sectional embraces a dark wood table with a koi pond centerpiece. Sunlight streams through sliding shoji screens, casting warm patterns on tatami flooring. Orchid arrangements and silk cushions in red and gold create peaceful luxury. And United Arab Emirates' bold purple velvet sectional encircles a glass coffee table etched with gold designs. Afternoon light glistens off glossy marble floors. Large silk cushions in emerald and gold add richness, while palm plants and crystal lamps amplify the grandeur. United Kingdom. Deep green Chesterfield sofa wraps around a polished oak coffee table topped with silver tea sets. Afternoon light streams through tall bay windows, glinting off crystal chandeliers. Plaid silk cushions and fresh lilies add a regal yet cozy British charm. NNS Paine burnt orange velvet sectional curves around a tiled coffee table featuring Moorish patterns. Golden sunlight floods in through wrought iron balconies, dancing on terracotta floors. Bright embroidered cushions and citrus bowls give vibrant Mediterranean warmth. China lacquered mahogany sofa with red silk cushions surrounds a jade-inlaid coffee table. Afternoon light filters through carved wooden screens, reflecting on glossy marble floors. Bonsai trees and porcelain vases complete the scene with imperial elegance. Grisane crisp white sectional rests on gleaming marble floors around a glass coffee table filled with seashells. Afternoon light from wide terraces bathes the space, while blue silk cushions, olive branches, and ceramic urns evoke serene Aegean luxury. Brazil's a tropical teakwood sofa with cream cushions encircles a glass table adorned with exotic orchids. Afternoon sunlight pours through open verandas, casting soft patterns on polished stone. Colorful throws and woven baskets give it lush coastal charm. And Francine a cream velvet sofa with gold trim surrounds a marble coffee table topped with macarons and roses. Afternoon light filters through tall French windows, casting soft shadows over parquet floors. Crystal chandeliers and silk drapes add Parisian romance. Nittily tan leather sectional frames a marble-top coffee table with a bowl of fresh figs. Afternoon sun pours through arched windows, warming terracotta tiles. Silk cushions in deep wine tones and a vase of sunflowers give Tuscan elegance. Japan a low cedar sofa with cream cushions wraps around a black lacquer table featuring a koi pond beneath glass. Afternoon light seeps through paper shoji screens, highlighting tatami mats and a single ikebana flower arrangement in serene balance. And Turkey a plush burgundy sofa with intricate embroidery surrounds a brass coffee table with ornate trays of Turkish delight. Afternoon sun streams through arched windows, glinting off mosaic lanterns and patterned rugs for a warm, opulent feel. Australian a sand-colored linen sofa arcs around a glass table filled with coral and shells. Afternoon light floods through wide glass doors to a sunlit patio, while blue cushions, driftwood decor, and tropical plants create coastal luxury.
As we step back from our journey through these breathtaking interiors, the memory of each sofa lingers like a note in a perfect melody. Imagine standing in the heart of a grand living space, the air filled with the faint scent of fresh flower, polished wood, exotic spices, depending on where we have been. You windows. Every sofa we have visited tells a story of culture, of craftsmanship, of comfort taken to the very peak of artistry. Close your eyes for a moment and picture your favorite. Was it the one bathed in afternoon sunlight with cushions so plush you could sink into them for hours, or perhaps it was a modern masterpiece with sleek lines and view that could steal your breath? Maybe it was something vibrant and colorful, wrapped in tradition, with patterns that seemed to whisper tales from centuries past. Each design was not just a place to sit, it was a destination, a statement, a feeling. Now, I want you something. Which sofa captured your imagination the most? Was it the warmth and history of a handcrafted design, the luxurious shine of silk and gold, or the claiming simplicity of a minimalist space? Leave your answer in the comments below. I read them, and I am always curious to see which style speaks to you the loudest. Here at the Next Invention, we don't just show furniture, we take your journeys. We explore the finest interiors, the most unique architecture, and the details that transform a house into an unforgettable work of art. Each video is crafted to bring you closer to textures, the colors, and the feelings for world's most beautiful homes. If you enjoyed today's trip around the globe, then you will love what comes next. From panoramic bedrooms high above city skylines to outdoor lounge surrounded crystal clear waters, every week we uncover something new. We travel through modern marvels, historic estates, and cutting edge design have not hit the mainstream yet. By subscribing, you are not just following a channel, you are joining a community of people who appreciate beauty, detail, and innovation. In living spaces, you will be the first to see new designs, rare features, and architectural ideas that can inspire your own home or simply give you a moment to dream. So if you have not already, tap that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It's the simplest way to make sure you never miss one of our visual adventure. And if you found inspiration in what you saw today, give this video a like. It tells us we are